getting in the way?
No. Oh, maybe I do have set it up. Oh, we're going to leak around here just a little bit.
Trying to go right through it?
Yeah. Should we give it a try and see? Yeah. DJ, run in there and grab some of those wood blocks. Yeah.
Small stuff first, a little larger than that, eventually pull we put in after that.
Cool. I can't believe you're doing this, Ron. Yeah, I'm believe we're getting ready to build a fire.
Hopefully this will give us a good start and spread throughout the whole bottom. This is going to work. We can always change on the next one.
Right.
Also, doing is cutting little pieces of rag here to put in these oilers so we don't get any soot, dirt.
Hey, November 11th, 1995, long-awaited day of test firing the steam engine. So here we are. It's a pretty good sunny Saturday afternoon. We're going to give it a try, see what happens. I'm going to light the torch, and Ron's going to light up the boiler. He's got it all stoked with kindling wood, ready to go. So here we go. Just like the Olympic torch.
Yeah, there it goes.
Okay, you got to hang on, Ron, before you stick it under there. Shut off that.
Guess we'll close that.
Yeah. We got smoke coming out the top.
Well, I thought I could hear a couple little...
Get watching your steam there.
Well, the first smoke to pour out of this in probably at least 70 years.
We got fire.
Yeah, should we take a look in the door? Okay.
There's your fire.
I'll say,
Got a big
sure
fire
did.
burning.
Probably the first time in at least 70 years, I think, Ron.
Yeah. Like we're getting right now. It hasn't reached the front part yet.
That was a pretty good draft up through there, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah, that starts a lot easier.
I hope I haven't forgot anything.
It starts.
Boy, that's a...
See, this is it's going to burn pretty fast, so we're going to have to add coal. No, I can add more wood.
Right.
Why couldn't you start putting wood?
Well, because we're not ready. We got to come up on steam pressure. I hope we're not heating it too thick. Man. Little steam and water. We're making steam. Hey, it's just like this whole machine's now getting its first breath of life in a long time. You know, that air pressure was just kind of an artificial breath resuscitation. We're getting the heart going now. We gotta get that water out of there. All that water.
So eventually that'll dry out. But
okay, Edith, Louise, Elma, Evelyn, all the rest of DUP, this is for you ladies. Did you go call them?
okay, here we go. Start getting a little bit of fire.
That's probably a good idea. Almost up to 5 pounds.
Put 6 pieces in.
6 pieces, okay.
Spread it out.
Getting little wisps of steam all over. So we got a few little flakes. I love it.
Okay, this is our last wood that we've got cut. I'll look at that in a minute. We may have to add some more coal to get it.
Hey, we're coming up. 5 pounds. We're up to our first 5-pound boiler pressure. Watch out for the pump on it.
Why do you have that?
There we go. Huh? Those are my upper pump. Air bleed out. Oh yeah, them cylinders is hot.
Well, it's past 130 right now.
Turns over and I shoot that up in there.
I guess that's what that exhaust thing. There you go. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Boy, it's still getting a lot of junk. Got a lot of crap in those. Yep, they were shut on. You getting the black smoke, Beach? How are we looking on our fire, Ron?
Good. We got a good fire going in there.
Oh, cool. That's what we need.
Up in the truck.
and open the gate so your dad can come in. He's got to see this for a second.